Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.98. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout at the top trend line, priced at $11.84, would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 5.59% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 28.54% to positive 12.47%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 46.47%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 10% to 266.84% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $12.23 and $40.79. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, High Volatility in SoundHound AI Incorporated, stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $11.12. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price gained 16.08% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, rising from $9.58 to $11.12. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.88%, with a low of $10.07 and a high of $11.17. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 57 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 79 million shares changed hands for approximately $873,300,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $24.98. And the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the price is 55.48%, or $13.86, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI Incorporated, trading on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol SOUN, is currently experiencing significant market activity. This is highlighted by a recent surge in share price after Piper Sandler initiated coverage with an overweight rating and set a price target of $12. As of this morning, shares increased nearly 13%, reflecting positive investor sentiment regarding the company's prospects in the emerging artificial intelligence sector. However, this optimism is overshadowed by troubling legal developments. Multiple law firms have initiated class action lawsuits against SoundHound, citing securities fraud allegations that span the period from May 10, 2024 to March 3, 2025. These lawsuits could have immediate implications for the stock, potentially leading to increased volatility as investors weigh the risks against the positive outlook from analysts. In the short term, the class action lawsuits may create uncertainty and could negatively impact the stock price as traders react to the news. Over the long term, if the allegations are substantiated or if they lead to significant legal costs, the company's financial health could be jeopardized, adversely affecting its stock value. Conversely, if SoundHound successfully defends against these claims, it could restore investor confidence and elevate its stock price further, beyond what analysts currently anticipate. In summary, while initial analyst enthusiasm is boosting SOUN's share price, the looming legal battles pose a significant risk that investors will need to monitor closely. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of underperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN a grade of overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The stock of SoundHound AI, Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support may be found at levels of $10.16 and $9.28. A decline below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been generated, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 5.44%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a sell signal has been issued. Pivots indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy 2 days ago. The long-term moving average displayed a sell signal 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 57 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.01, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.10 between its high and low, representing an increase of 10.88%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates at negative 0.06. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.19. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already in possession of a stock, this could be a strategic point to contemplate swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its initial support level at $11.01. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Timothy Stonehawker executed an insider sale of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, James Ming Hom executed an insider sale of 3,815 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, James Ming Hom executed an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, James Ming Hom executed an insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Kevon Mohajer executed an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 11.015. Overall, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,775,200 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.56, indicating a decline of 5.07%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a hold accumulate rating to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 28th of May, we anticipate SoundHound AI to open lower by 335 hundredths of a dollar, starting trading at $10.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.